Alright guys, I'm here, I'm back. This is Brian DevOps coming in again with another KodeKloud engineer tutorial, this time in Docker. This task is much like the last task. We're building a Docker file on App Server 3. Uh, they already copied the requirements file for app dependencies under Python app /source or src. Use a Python image as the base image to install the dependencies using the requirement.txt file. Expose the port 5004 and run the server using the cmd script. When we build the image, it should be named Nautilus Python app. And once the image is built, create a container called Python app _ Nautilus and map this port to the container. And we can use this to check whether or not we actually can reach that web server. So let's go ahead and get started. It's App Server 3. Alright, so we need to change directives to and there's our source file. The Docker file. Right, so we're going to start from Python. Okay, our work directory is /Python app, Python _ app. So copy requirements from src and requirements text. Copy it into this directory. And we're going to run pip install. No cache directly flag bar and the requirements. Right. Copy source folder and expose 1004. We're going to start the service with Python server.py. Alright. So let's build this image. Docker build Alright guys, I'm going to let this build and then I will come back after the image is finished. Alright, and we're back. As you can see, the image is completely built now. So let's go ahead and set up our container. So Docker run the name key 8080 2004 and our image name All right, so that's our container deployment there. View it there, and it is up and running. So just a copy. Just copy this to test out whether or not we can reach this web server. And we can. As you can see, it says, welcome to Xfusion Industries. So we can go ahead and evaluate this task now. And there you have it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. And be sure to subscribe up and leave a comment and a like, please. I appreciate it. Until next time.